Welcome back to Prime Car. Today, we're exploring the 2026 Toyota Highlander, the refreshed three-row SUV from Toyota that brings a stronger focus on hybrid efficiency, enhanced design, and smarter technology, perfect for families and anyone needing space without sacrificing value. The most significant update for 2026 is Toyota's decision to offer the Highlander as hybrid only. It replaces traditional gasoline engines with a base hybrid powertrain combining a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and two electric motors to produce around 243 horsepower. For increased capability, a more robust hybrid option, similar to the Hybrid Max found in its larger sibling, is expected, pairing a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine with electric assist to deliver closer to 360 horsepower and improve towing capacity. Every trim now includes all-wheel drive as standard, giving drivers added traction and confidence in varied road conditions. Visually, the Highlander receives a tasteful update. The front grille is bolder, with sharper, more angular LED headlights and reworked bumper styling that gives the SUV a modern, assertive look. Subtle changes at the rear, refreshed taillight graphics and a cleaner lower fascia enhance the overall aesthetic while maintaining the Highlander's familiar silhouette. Trim-specific styling, such as sporty accents or rugged details, is available depending on the chosen version. Inside, cabin improvements deliver more premium feel and usability. Higher quality soft-touch materials, enhanced sound insulation, and updated seat fabrics elevate comfort. Technology is upgraded across the board. Standard infotainment screens grow in size, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard, and available features include a digital instrument display and optional head-up display. Larger trims may even offer a touchscreen for the front passenger, a feature often reserved for luxury brands. Passenger and cargo space continue to be Highlander strengths. The second row offers generous legroom and flexible seating, with available captain's chairs on select trims. The third row remains best suited for children or shorter adults, and cargo space is practical when the rear seats are folded flat. Toyota maintains sensible storage solutions and a simple seating layout, supporting versatility for family use or weekend trips. On the road, the hybrid powertrain delivers smooth, confident performance. Acceleration feels deliberate and composed, with instant torque from the electric motors and refined tuning over the CVT transmission. The optional higher output hybrid significantly improves response and towing, better matching demands of heavier loads or open road driving. Steering feedback feels consistent, ride composure is refined, and suspension tuning strikes a balance between comfort and control, especially welcome on long journeys or mixed surfaces. Fuel economy is a highlight, with the base hybrid returning around 35 miles per gallon combined on average, depending on model and driving conditions. Real-world mixed driving shows high fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance or capability, a key advantage for three-row SUV buyers. Safety features are expansive and standard. The latest version of Toyota Safety Sense includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a driver attention alert system. Higher trims offer upgrades like a 360-degree camera system for better visibility in tight spots. While Toyota has not released official pricing yet, anticipated entry pricing for the base hybrid storyline places the Highlander in the upper $40,000 territory, with more premium trims, especially those with higher output hybrid setups or advanced features, expected to approach or exceed the mid-$50,000 range, depending on region and options. These estimates position it competitively within the midsize SUV market, offering strong value when compared with similarly equipped rivals. In summary, the 2026 Toyota Highlander refines what made the previous generation a success. With a hybrid-only powertrain strategy, updated styling, improved interior comfort, and a comprehensive safety suite, it keeps family flexibility at its core. For anyone looking for a three-row SUV that combines practicality, efficiency, and Toyota reliability, this model deserves serious consideration. Thank you for watching Prime Car. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more expert car insights, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review. Are you leaning toward the standard hybrid or the upgraded higher output hybrid? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, stay informed and stay in gear.